everyone, this is Makhali from Cyberpanel, and in today's video we are going to be learning about Elementor sticky heads. So basically you are going to see headers on top of your web page, your websites, your web pages at all times, but it's super great when your user is scrolling down and they can still see the top menu or the navigation menu right on top of the screen wherever they are on the page. So that stickiness is what gives its unique name, and today we are going to learn about how you can create your own sticky header using Elementor. So without further ado, let's just jump straight to the video.
Okay guys, so first of all you need to do is you need to come onto your WordPress dashboard and we need to install 3 plugins basically. So we need to install Elementor, the sticky header plugin and Elementor kit, Elements kit. So for that purpose, just go into your plugins, click on add new. Now first of all, let's search for Elementor. And this is the one that we want with 5 million installations. Once it is installed, activate it. Okay, so we have our first plugin ready to use. Next, we need the sticky header effects for Elementor plugin. This is the one that we want. Click on install now. And once it is installed, activate it. Okay, lastly, we need the Elements Kit plugin. Okay, so this is the one that we want. Click on install now. Once it is installed, quickly just a second. All right, so activate it. And we have our 3 plugins ready to use. So that was the installation process. Now we're going to create our menu. Now for that purpose, go into your appearance and click on menus. So we need a navigation menu beforehand so that we can decide upon it. All right. So right now I already have a menu. You have to enter your menu name over here. And I have home over here in the options, the home page option. So basically what I can do is, let me just quickly remove this and I'll show you again. So you have to enter your menu name and in this section click on add to menu. Before that, click on Elementor 14, click on add to menu and it will be added for you. You can also, or else I can also add the home button as well. So my home button is over here too. So we have just created our menu. Click on save menu and next we are going to work with this menu. Now we need to create a header. So we have our menu and now we need to create a header. And in that header, we'll add our menu and then in the final step, we'll do the steps to create it into a sticky header. So we have created our menu. Now we need to create our header. So for that purpose, click on Elements Kit. So this is your dashboard over here. Click on header, footer. So I already have one. So I'll show you another one. Let me just delete this one. Okay. Click on add new. In the header, click on add new. So the title will be top menu. Now the type should be header and conditions. Entire site, the important thing is the activate, deactivate. toggle, you need to turn this on and click on Save Changes. Okay, so now we have created our menu and our little template over here. So let's click on Edit, click on Edit Content, and it's going to take us to our Elementor editor. Okay, so now we need a header on top of our page. So this little button is for Elements Kit. Let's click on that. In the sections, choose the header that you want. I'm going to go with this one. Click on Insert. And my header has appeared over here. Of course, you can do a lot of changes over here. You can change the logo and everything. And once you click this menu, your menu settings will appear. Now drop down, you can select your menu. Now we just created a menu before, named my top menu. When I click on it, my menu will appear over here. Now your menu will be visible. So once I'm happy with that, click on Update. Once it is updated, we have successfully created basically a header. Now we need to turn this header into a sticky header. So right now when I check out my website, my header will only appear at the top. It's not going to move as I scroll down. So I need it to turn into a sticky header. Now for that purpose, let me just quickly go. Okay, so basically all right, on this page, on the same page, I'm going to select my menu, and on these little 6 dots I'm going to click on that, and suddenly all the more options will appear. From here I'll go into the advanced option. I'm going to select the sticky header effect and I'm going to enable it. So it's going to show you that this plugin does not control the sticky position. It's basically giving out a warning, but don't worry about that. Since we have installed our sticky header effect plugin, it is going to control the sticky position of the header. So once again, I am happy with that. I need it to be a little more defined. Now for the definition, basically, let's go into the style option, and the background type, I'll say gradient, and I'll choose a color basically. So now when I scroll down, my header will be very prominent at the top of my page wherever I am on the web page. Once I'm happy with that, click on Update. So we have successfully created a menu, we have created a header, we have added our menu to that header, and we have turned that header into a sticky header, all using our Elementor. Of course, you can further enhance it by simply clicking on your menu, going into advanced option, scroll down, go into custom CSS, but that's for if you're using Elementor Pro. So if you're using Elementor Pro, you can always customize your header even more. So I hope this video was really informative for you guys, and if you still have any questions, just drop a comment in the comment section, and don't forget to like and subscribe Cyberpanel.